Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off high priority only email notifications in your Gmail application, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the Android phone and also on the iPhone. So let's get started. And if you want to do it on the Android phone, you just open the Gmail application, tap on the menu icon, and then you can scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings, select the account you want to change the notification settings for. I'm gonna select mine. And here we have notifications. And as you can see, for me, it's set to high priority only. And if you want to turn it off, you have two options. You can turn on all notifications or turn off the notifications completely. So select the option you like. And then you can go back, and that's how you do it on the Android phone. To do it on the iPhone, you open the Gmail application on the iPhone, of course. Then tap on the menu icon, scroll down, tap on settings, and here you need to find the email notifications. And right here we have all new emails, high priority only, and none. So select the one you like. So if you want to turn off the high priority, you can select all new emails to receive notifications from all emails rather. And if you don't want to see notifications at all, you can select none. Okay, and then tap on done, and you can close the app. And that's how you turn off the high priority only email notifications on this or in the Gmail application. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.